So, from our catch today, I'm here with Anthony Spearfishing JA.
Looking guys.
Yep. And we're just here, guys, prepping up for this cook-up. So really, we don't want to be doing all the washing and cleaning and stuff while we're getting stuff in the pot. So what we try to do is prep before. So this is one of the steps that we're going to go through, guys. I'm actually using the scissors that I have because this is how I clean these fish up. I kind of cut off all the fins off of them and get those off because you can't really eat those anyway, so I don't see the sense. So I try to get all those excess bones and stuff off, guys, using a sharp pair of scissors, kitchen scissors, please, guys, because they're designed to cut through these small bones and stuff like that. So all right, guys, so stay tuned, guys. We'll get back to you once we get this all complete. Get you a little short on this. All right, guys, pick up yourself, and please, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and watch the ads.
That is it.
You see it? Yeah, man. Out there, guys. Just finish up and go so. And finish up the fish them. Just finish cleaning them up, guys. Then now, over here, we have some okra, some pumpkin, sweet pepper, some onions, tomato, potato, garlic, and thyme on some scallions, guys. So we're gonna drop that in. We'll steam up them fish right now, guys, with some rice and peas and thing. So stay tuned, guys. We are out here Jamaican shore fishing. Hey guys, we got Laurie outside also cleaning up the rest of the crabs. She's getting them together and prepped. We just dispatched these guys. So say hi, Laurie. Hi. So Laurie's getting these together, guys, for the next set of pot that we're gonna boil the crabs outside. So we're gonna do some boiled crabs also, guys, along with the steam fish and stuff like that. So you know, so some serious strong back thing that Courtney there with the same way. You know, don't know. We was out together today. Courtney was our mobility today for us to get out, guys, and we're thankful for that because we was able to get some serious food today. So yeah, man, bless up yourself, guys. We are out here. Time to do some slice up on this bar now. I'm sure all you guys have sliced up bar before. First of all, yeah. I'm gonna remove the head with a little bit of meat on it. I always do. And I'm gonna bust him right here and then slice the rest of him in thick slices going down. All right, guys. So unless I'm gonna just bust the head right here, what do you think, partner? Yeah. And then have this part separate. All right, let's do this. All right, guys. So I'm gonna get that in there. Don't wanna cut my fingers now.
That's a knife blade. That's a big knife back. That good trick, man. That's a knife always sharp with it.
Yes, bro. Yeah. After I cut me the other day, I'm kind of scared of these knives, bro.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That is it, wow.
So we're gonna give these chunks. Look how clean these cuts are. Haha.
Like a machine cut them.
Mm-hmm. Perfect cut, guys. Look at this, guys. Let's get that cut in there. Mm-hmm. Get these barrel cuts. Look at those, guys. That's why we got the fish this way, so that we don't ruin these steaks when we cut them. Wow. Look how this thing slices. Woohoo. Everything, bro. Look how clean it cuts these things. Yeah. This is serious, guys. Look at that. Yeah, guys. That's what's up.
It's a big jack on the board.
Big jack on the board. Yeah, guys, so we'll try to get this big jack head off. Here, guys, so I had a battery change, so battery dead, so I have to change the battery, guys. So I'm gonna slice up the jackfish in a couple of slices, guys. What's that? Here, guys. So Trying to get this cut in properly. Just a little tap. We'll get that bad boy right through there.
Yeah, check your fat
Mm-hmm. Well fat, man.
Less than 3 seconds and it get hooked up.
Stay tuned for that video, guys. That's a serious hookup on this jack. Mm-hmm. He didn't give me a second for that line to hit the water before he attacked it. Crazy action on him. It was definitely a feisty one. Yeah. That's over with. Got some nice slices, guys. Look at that. Pretty steaks. This is what's up. Alright, guys?
Beautiful.
Outside. That's what's up, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're here. We're getting the vegetables and seasoning cut up. Anthony's at it again. Yeah.
With the sponsor knife, you know?
Yeah. So, Anthony's at it again, guys. So we here cutting up and getting this vegetables together and stuff. And getting this steamed fish and okra ready, guys. Look how pretty those slices are, guys. I want you to see that and get a close up on that. He's looking at me. That's what's up. Yeah, man, that is it, guys. It's food. That's how we deal with the food. Laurie's here with us again, as usual. Say bye. So, you know, this is Jamaican Shore Fishing 6. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. This is Laurie Parry, man. This is my daughter, guys. I'm just joking, guys. Don't pay me no mind. Big up yourself, guys. We here Jamaican Shore Fishing. We're cutting up some pumpkin now, guys, for this steamed fish, guys. You don't know it's it. I have to put in some of that iron and stuff in it. Yeah, man. Well, tank up. Yes. Like the soup one, eh? Yo, we use up 3/4 pumpkin in that soup later. Oh my God, that soup that is rich with pumpkin, but. Then sister says she eat the soup, man, and the way the soup pepper, man, it just so sweet he couldn't tap.
Yeah.
You know the vibes, eh? You ever have the soup there yet, brother?
I just said,
John, no. Man, and continue, not even tap. Yeah, man, that's how I said, guys. So we here, guys. We preparing this section of it. Miss Janet is downstairs and she's making the rice and peas, guys. I don't think we'll get a video in on that part, but don't worry about it. We're just getting the fish together, guys, because that was a lot of work, and we have another adventure to go on later.
Yeah, we're outside.
Yes, we're outside, so we have to keep it going, guys. We can't be stagnant too long. This cooking stuff, guys, we just get it down for you guys and get some food in the system at the same time. And it kills 2 birds with 1 stone, guys. So you know how it is. Jamaican Shore Fishing, Jamaican Anthony Spearfishing, J.A. Definitely out here, guys. I'm fubbling today. But don't worry about it. It's alright. So Anthony's here just chopping up the seasoning. Onion, guys.
I guess people say knife, I forget to my knife, you know?
Big up to Kesha and the knife. Still Kesha out of New York, guys.
Even if we're a chef, and I have a fake chef.
Make you look like a chef. That's real.
Yeah, like I got I'm sponsor you.
That's serious thing, man.
I don't look like it.
Not normal people. So
get some knife, you know? Get some knife.
Yeah, man.
Watch out.
A serious thing, guys. Yeah, man. Some okra and steamed fish, guys.
Eat things in one month.
Outside.
Slime it up.
Yeah. So my real thing, this one, guys. No say enough of the Jamaicans are foreign. I said, boy, look, boy. Don't worry about it, man. Let's soon at night place. Let's drop night place out I call and just link with when you fall night place. And we can drop in and do a little cook up for you. Said we.
Fresh fish.
See? Fresh fish, okra and all these things, guys. Yeah. So when you drop in night place, just link up Anthony Spearfishing or Jamaican Shore Fishing.
Yeah.
And we link up, guys, and we can do a little get together and vibes up, you know?
Stay tuned.
Yeah, man. All I know who come on my tours and know we set up already, you know, we go around the world. You know we'll call it round the world when we start travel the whole of Jamaica. You see? So, alright, yes, I'm over here where I do it, guys. Airport close enough, so you don't have to worry yourself. The crab pot look wild. I find I host me somebody look wild. I'm telling when I go check on the crab pot. Yeah, man. Outside, guys. And we are line up some more crabs out here too, guys. Trust me. We on it today, guys. I hold it for work, you know. Yeah, man, Anthony, I put in the crab them now, guys. Look at that mumpy claw here, guys. Oh.
Like, I'm putting crab, man.
Larry, I deal with the crab today, though. I don't know if we will pot this, brother. I fish we are deal with them.
Yeah, I feel the pot.
I feel your pot. Go on, then deal with your pot. Deal with your pot, chef. We just help you, you know.
You wash them now?
You know, so you wash them. You have it on video. So Larry was out here washing these things and clean them up and kill crab and all these things. Bad girl.
I wasn't killing crab.
Your man Larry's out here cooking our crab pot, people. We didn't really have the space inside, so we just light up the cold pot so she can get them together. And trust me, I inside with them, I smell the pot out of the door and mad thing. Anthony.
They want to cook shit to the core. They want to have back on it.
Yeah, man. And then with the coal fire make it extra soft, you know.
Mostly,
Come, Larry, just go and drop them in, man. Just go on.
You just add them mostly.
Up the pot of crab, guys. So I just cover up thing now and hit that.
Because they get the like seasoning.
Yeah, man, let me cook to the core, guys. And I always from there smell that, man. Yeah, outside, guys.
So the people not in there. Just in the man, I'm not like to chat, but I know I wouldn't. There is no chef. Onion, some bell pepper and sweet pepper. More thing, guy. There's a pumpkin there, so. So people put some okra and nothing there. And then put chunks size. Some jalapenos, some garlics. Oil fine. You put the pepper with them, eh? Put the oil fine, you know? So let's go and stay too. Reach that part there. Put on soy, boy.
Yeah, man.
You're set.
Definitely. Yeah, guys. So we just cut up the okra, them guys. Get the seasonings together and everything for stuff up the fish and them thing there. You see it? Steamed fish and crackers, guys. That's what's up. We almost reach the pepper on time, man. And see fish there outside. Cut up the pepper now, guys. We'll get that in there. We don't know how that go already.
Pepper and garlic, you know?
Hot shilalala. Oh boy.
What is it, man?
Fire. I put in the butter now, people. We get that melted down in here, you see it? So Get this out. I hold it for fishing, guys, so you don't know the butter have to turn up. So. Come on. There you go. We got the butter melted in here. We have some onion, pepper, scallion, thyme, and garlic cut up in here, guys. And then we have the okra, pumpkin, and some Irish potatoes cut up in this, guys. So we're gonna saute everything in this pot right now and just get that running. You see it, guys? Yeah, man. Yeah. So I had turned the heat down before, guys. So now I got the heat back up again. We're gonna get this thing spinning. Oh yeah, Laurie has the big spoon, so.
No, I like it.
Yeah. Laurie got the metal spoon outside on the wood fire, guys. We don't want to put the plastics out there for sure. So, come on.
Get them nice and neat.
Yeah. Yeah, man. A steamed fish ready with no peoples. My gosh. Yeah, man. Jamaican shore fishing and Anthony spear fishing, guys. Yeah, man. We put on the best spot in our place.
Yeah, chef,
Yes, people are called chef. Yeah. Ladies are called we be a chef. I didn't know. Let's spring some water now, guys.
Tell boy, colors. Nah, man, this boy.
On this a slime, take this a fish here, man. My gosh. Yo. Boy, I have enough already, you know, boy. A six lick long time, you know.
Yeah, I lick 6 more. Why do you look for the bad soup? I know this not back. 6 more I get, bro.
I try my best shoot and miss nowadays, you know. Nah, try aim up people. They have too much already, but bless up to me youth them still. Love you guys, you know what's up. Bless up to my grandson, guys, I tell you that much. And big him up all the time and I hope to do some fishing with him very shortly, guys. So we are the fishing here now. And we have Anthony over here, guys. So we're gonna set these in here nice and neatly, guys.
Yeah, that is it.
As best as we possibly can. Set them down in here real neat. As neat as we can, guys, because you know that once you start steaming fish, you don't really want to move them up and down too much. You know, Anthony's over there mixing up that secret sauce. No, we don't put that on video still, because we don't give it the secret. You see it, the trade secret, guys.
Even they can't wine there.
You see it. Well, that is it. So what we're doing, guys, is basically packing the pot with the fish in spaces so that they just sit down nice and neatly, and then we just chuck on everything else on top and then take it off as we go around. So this is it, guys. Look at that. Let's drop this head in here, guys, because we steaming the head too, you know. We know it's not Jamaica, you know. Everything are going on this, you know, guys. I'm gonna chew on the rest of the badness, guys. So take a look at that, guys. Yeah, man. Jamaican shore fishing and Anthony spear fishing, getting it together again. Alright, guys, look at this. Where's the spoon at? Let me get the spoon.
Why I think that whatever look straight like.
We don't want to waste none of that, guys. Down to the last drop, guys. So
Where's that now?
Where the sauce
See,
going
come on, shit.
Guys, look at that.
That creamy and nice. The butter now, and put that can, you know. Yeah, chance to bubble. That is it. That is it. One
Yeah, man.
people, we have to do what I'm here.
Yeah.
If you look at here, you have some bad cooking there. On the sun there, roadside.
Roadside, guys. This is what's up. Serious cooking, guys. Seafood cooking. That's what's up. Yeah, guys. So this is what's up with our steamed fish, okra.
We need enough gravy right now, because that's what we said today.
Yeah, guys. So everything's steamed up on the fish head, brother. Drop in the crackers and this. No.
Well, yeah, no. And turn down to you, know, because there's not bottom burn.
No, on the lower section of the thing burn, people. Because I fired it up kind of high. So I'm just going to turn it down a little bit still, guys. Because you don't know, you know. You don't want the thing lose all that juice either. Oh, look here, guys. Let me take a picture of this now.
This name, Jerry Juniors.
So, after all of that now, guys, we just added the crackers on top. We're going to cover this down, let this simmer down, let these crackers soak up some of this sauce a bit and get that flavor into it, guys. Pick up yourself. Stay tuned. Anthony is sharing out one for Courtney.
I know that already, you know.
Yeah. So Courtney say he's good on the rice part, so he's gonna munch on some crackers and put crab on it and rate. So yeah, man. Right, that's all. That's it, man. So yeah, guys. That's it, there, guys. That is it. Name some more crackers, man. Alright.
Must want cabinet, must want
Okay,
plate full of cabinet.
Yes,
Go ahead.
Bad man.
What's that, man?
Yeah, man. What I count with fish? I jack on the bar.
Yeah.
What is happening there?
What's that, man? I'm a bar.
I just jack and bar in there.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. Yeah, I got like cat tourists. Yeah,
So good.
Yes,
No. Put two more crackers and more gravy. You know, come out and do a gun chop crab on it. Yeah, man. That's easy.
People look on his size. No, you don't see good enough because you must say, I wonder who we are share if I look on his size.
Yeah, what's the one side for you? That is it.
Barra, jack steam it down, so real crackers, that is it. And crab, I'll jump on side that plate and now.
One of them get a good big one.
Yeah, man.
Kill them with it, you know, guys. Yeah, man, that is it, guys.
No rice, water Sunday dinner trouble. Alright.
So we say, yeah, ball tree now.
That is it.
That is it,
Don't
man.
look on the plate, man. You're not falling up, but that's how I look.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I eat that, guys. So, we outside.
Man, I forget one.
So, I share out the rice, you know. Rice that smell good. You can smell the real coconut tonight, no brother.
But for nice, we get to together. Know that already, no one.
Know that go, guys. Guys. So, yeah, to share out some plates now, guys.
I'm gonna free up it from early, you know. That's a chef. Check to keep it. Yeah, come on, beating some of it.
Hey guys. Yeah, then left. We mash up that later for bye-bye. You know the bye-bye deal go already.
Yeah.
Listen, TV time come on, you want to sit in front of the TV and bye-bye time, let you.
Later again, also again, so. I know thing, guys. I don't know. I didn't touch that part. Nice.
So, I'll eat that, guys. I'll mash up some other food, you know. So, guys, it was an excellent day. Long adventure. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, guys. Stay tuned. See you? Yeah, guys, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. So, you don't know how we set already, guys. I part where we. Yo, you see, if I don't see any more local junior shore fishing, I run both the place, and nothing my fault. I just do it.
Yeah.
I try my best, people, but trust me. So, big up yourself, guys. Thank you for joining us, guys. We appreciate this. The food is amazing. I'm about to get into this really, really deep, guys.
I'm already in it.
So, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys, and that thumbs up. And please go over to Anthony's channel. give him a big up, guys. Give him a support. Give him a thumbs up. Check out his video. Amazing shooting video, guys. And also, guys, I want to big up to Jamaica Wildlife, right? I want to big up to Wildlife. Wildlife came out and checked us, linked us up. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Dark Dive. Big up for linking us the other night also. All right, guys? Out there.
That's easy. Say one, Larry.
Yes.
Cab. Cab.